There is one simple fact that has yet to penetrate very deeply into the policy world. Our economic future, like that of other nations of the world, depends directly on the quality of our workers. More specifically, in this increasingly technological age, the cognitive skills of future workers will determine much of our economic well-being. Given that simple fact, the backlash against testing in schools and against accountability for results is a bit scary. From international testing in math, we find that U.S. students rank 39th in the world, putting us below the average for developed countries and having us competing with Croatia and Greece. You might ask, isn't our economy still the envy of the world? And the answer is yes for now, but not necessarily in the future. We have been able to benefit from good economic institutions with limited government intrusion, with more schooling than elsewhere, and with high-skilled immigrants. But the future strength of each is in doubt, and we will have to rely on the skills of our population for ongoing success. Do you think that it's possible for our schools to compete with the best in the world? Let us know in your comments. Also, let us know what other topics you'd like our scholars to cover in 60 seconds. And be sure to like and subscribe for more research and videos from AEI.